Hey, hey, hey! Today we're gonna make yet another bag because I'm a material girl.
Actually, the main reason I started this new project is that I have another similarly shaped bag that was gifted to me, but is super worn out from daily use.
I really don't know how long it has until it faces its tragic demise, so we're making another similar bag to replace it. And you might ask, why make a new bag instead of purchasing a new one? That's a great question. And the answer is, not only am I a material girl, but I'm a cheap material girl. Woohoo!
Not long before I started this project, I saw a similar bag that was sold by a popular clothing brand, and it was like $25 for something that I could make for a cheaper price. And also, the bag didn't even have a zipper, so not only can I make the same bag for cheaper, but I can customize it to have a zipper, which to me is the most important part of a bag, because that way I can avoid embarrassing myself by tipping my bag over and spilling all of its contents in public.
But anyway, before I was a cheap material girl, I was a reckless material girl. Let me tell you about the one iconic instance of my life that defined my reckless material girl era.
When I was around 7 years old, I got $5 from my grandpa and bought a dolphin poster for my school's book fair. Which is super reckless, I know. And it may have just been $5, but I barely knew how to hang it up on the wall without it falling down in less than a few hours. And eventually my mom ended up throwing it away shortly after she figured out I wasn't using it anymore. So not only was the poster not used to its fullest potential, but now that I think about it, the poster was one of those tacky photoshopped ones, which makes it even worse. It was a dolphin mid-jump surrounded by a clear blue sky and water that was unrealistically sparkly. But you know what? All that matters is that younger me had the satisfaction of owning something so cool, and really, it's okay to treat yourself once in a while. So yeah, the moral of my reckless material girl era is to spend your money wisely, even if it means the occasional emotional support purchase.
And now looky here, my bag is complete. Bye!